Keep arguing, boys.
Yeah, you fucking shut up, bitch.
The premise is that you're watching all these security cameras in this house.
One day they'll be glad for this video.
Why the hell are they possibly
Mind you, that's what you did.
And the traps are ridiculous.
The only other time I saw you this drunk was at Knapp. Was that one time?
You should have seen him on his birthday. He passed out on White Ave.
What time is that?
Probably a couple years ago.
Oh, shit.
The only way to get good at this game is to play it over and over and over.
You should have seen him on his birthday.
Yeah?
He passed out in the White Ave. We had to drag him from Squires. He got kicked out of Squires all the way to the all the way to like the LRT.
Kill! Where's Kill?
and you know, even
That's a nice shot.
even though he's totally passed out drunk, he knew where every single bench on White Ave was. He tried to sit in every single one. Okay, go. Chug, chug, chug. Go, go, go.
That spoils the fun. I don't believe what I saw. I know, this game sucks. Then we got killed. Unfortunately, I can't even show you much about this game because it keeps freezing. I actually had a lot to say about this one, but right now, it's not fucking working.
You're tilting. You're tilting.
Time gap. Okay, this one is really, really weird. All you have to
If you throw up on me, I'm like divorced.
Throw up, never.
Never throw up.
Yo, man, you're like balding on the top of your head, eh?
That's fine.
There's not much to say. Shoot.
Well, let's see. Hold on.
Yeah, let's get a video of that.
Right behind there, yeah. He is balding like a motherfucker. Hold on. Yo, show him my bald spot. Let's give it like 5-10 more years.
Go on.
Bald like a motherfucker. Come on, use that fucking lens.
We're gonna hit him or fall on me.
Should I say, oh, that was my frog horny?
Drunk, yes. Okay, don't touch. Don't touch. I'll do it.
Wear gloves. Wear gloves. Don't touch that shit.
I've been VP's fucking 3 years.
I've been there and done that.
VP is cut.
Remember the Genesis game?
Cut, nigga.
My name's Kale, motherfucker.
Let's do it, Scott.
I don't know.
Ah!
I'm so bored with it.
Here's my arms.
I want some dinosaurs.
Fucking A, man.
Prize fighter. Bull.
With his hands.
Then what happens? I just get
This is how not to cook.
I don't even know how to play this. I just tap buttons. All I do is just slide past him. How do I hit him? Do I really care anyway? Now we got soul. More like soul feast.
Soul feces.
Holy shit.
Soul feces.
R-type for life force. And that's pretty cool. So all I gotta say is
Need some help?
this one's not bad. The Terminator. This one's okay. There was just flaws.
Yeah, man.
For example,
You use fucking...
too strong.
He's fucking just drunk. And
Kale.
And I understand you were shooting the
In
Terminator.
your face.
Kale does do that.
In his own face. He has to jerk off and it'll be like, ugh.
I can't stand still.
Alright.
You can't aim your gun without moving all around. One thing I have to say.
You guys, I don't know if I should be worried here or what I should. I'm the only girl in his house.
It's like only long games on the PC. There's really no game whatsoever.
Go back in the thing.
Wait, there's a half full beer.
Half full
San
of
Diego,
motherfuckers.
but not as memorable. There's also a Dracula game, which is the same sort of thing. You just click on things and watch little movies here and there. Speaking of Dracula, there's another one, Bram Stoker's Dracula. But this one is actually beating the shit out of animals. Yeah, punch them. Damn
Punch him,
bats.
damn bats.
I can't hit shit with my right hand anymore.
Fucking rats. No.
That. You want to see my knuckle, man?
Oh, that was
Trade my motherfucker.
You want me to hit you back? I'll fucking hit you in your chest.
I wanted to watch a movie.
You want to see my knuckle? That knuckle goes in any farther into my hand. I'm not gonna have a fucking hand anymore.
Let's get a video.
Okay, see my ring finger knuckle?
Yeah.
See how my pinky knuckles like fucking like looking on top of it? It shouldn't be.
That's gross.
Yeah. Because I punched a mailbox really hard one time and it just
Yeah,
fucking
were you
shifted
drunk?
back.
That mailbox is asking.
It was a mailbox by Darsh.
That fucker looked at you funny, huh?
I just fucking gave that thing a right hook and it just fucking dented. Took a bit of my finger.
This is like I was saying. This is like the one time at Chris's house where like comatose on the
I was looking after you that whole night.
like 10 and he was just fucking
YouTube is
dumb.
gonna love this.
Yeah, YouTube is gonna love this.
You can go fuck yourself.
You wish.
We need some fucking.
And off.
You're going off.
He threw me off there earlier today.
Yeah, it's 12:43. We're sitting in the shop. Here, let me pour that for you. No, I got it.
Okay.
Hey, cheers. International cheers.
In order to own a Sega CD,
Wait, you know what, man? You gotta watch my fucking MacBook Pro.
Sega made
I paid like a lot of money for this motherfucker.
So you basically pay a lot of money, you get fucking
This shit over here.
What is home?
As long as it's safe over there.
See, you know what? You may have all this expensive shit,
Hey!
but all of it is worthless because you just fuck it up.
Was that why?
Yeah, that's why.
That's his power.
You can go
thing.
fuck yourself.
Fuck myself. Fuck myself. Fuck yourself.
Oh. Okay, you guys, just drink the beer.
Not the rain.
right up your alley. Boy, up your ass.
Go on. He's gonna fall.
Ghostbusters.
Have a fucking pause, man.
You're gonna be YouTube
The
famous.
32X is gonna be sick.
These are all Sega now.
The Sega CD had its place in history.
Did you ever have a
I mean, don't get me
Sega
wrong, it's a piece of
No, I
shit,
just had
but it had a
Super
certain
NES.
appeal. The 32X.
Super NES was the shit.
Sega Genesis was
Oh,
fucking
God.
I think we might have had one.
Drop on the top of the Genesis. Like,
That's what basically wrecked my life.
do you think
Sega
that
Genesis.
add-ons?
My parents didn't buy a Sega Genesis for me,
I mean,
man.
it's just like an ugly
Like,
tumor. I mean, did they really need all this bullshit?
You could've been a millionaire?
I could have been a millionaire.
Oh, that's what
Instead-
ruined it.
Instead, I decided to buy an N64 after that, then an Xbox, then a 360. So, basically, fuck my life. I could have been a fucking honors student, probably a pro athlete,
But the
probably not a pro athlete.
Yeah, you gotta get in the frame. You gotta get in the frame. Look at this pouring technique. This is wow.
Yeah, just fucking all over
Yeah,
the
just
place.
feeling the heart.
Its own library of 32-bit games. Oh, you gotta let this.
Holy shit. Here. Let me talk
You
you
can see
up.
what they are.
Sort of have.
he's gonna fall. He's gonna
Don't fall, man. You'll break your fucking chair, kill yourself.
You guys came, you saw,
Star Wars? What's this?
fucking saw.
Don't come near me.
How are those potatoes?
Wear a glove. Wear a glove, bro.
Don't wear a glove.
Why can't you do the same with the newer ones? Who came along and said, okay, we're gonna have
After you check those fries.
More games, more blah
Oh
blah.
God, he's at
No
home.
editor
That
shit.
simple convenience become obsolete. Now about the 32X.
What?
That's a good phrase.
I remember having but not everything else. Okay, yo, we gotta rewind that. How do you rewind this? Buddy, I had a regular Sega Genesis. What the
That's the 32X.
Okay, this is getting sad already.
So here's the most basic power.
Look at that focus.
Look at him go. Have you seen that video on YouTube about that drunk guy in the liquor store with that?
Oh,
SRT?
fucking A, that one's unreal.
I'm gonna put that music
Like the
to
term,
this.
yeah.
I can't even turn it the other way so it doesn't fit.
He does have a bald spot. You can see from here. Wow, that's pretty bad.
I've never seen that before. Even the Atari 5200.